Hi, I'm Tova from Wedding Dress Fantasy. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I will talk about CP100. Now this dress is made entirely out of taffeta and tulle. If you look at the bodice, you'll see that there's a straight neckline and there's really pretty gathering in the tulle. The entire bodice is nice and fitted with a beautiful champagne color taffeta. The waist has a nice sash with a fabulous, beautiful rose, and it's made in taffeta as well as the tulle. And then this particular style of dress is called a high-low hem. So it's short in the front and then it's long in the back. The dress does have some layers. You have the initial layer of the taffeta and champagne. Then you've got tulle, which is attached to another layer of the taffeta, which is shown. Then you have some crinoline in here to make it nice and full, as well as lining. It's a really, really pretty style. Now the back is actually pretty long. So the front is short and the back is long, and that's the style of the high-low hem. This particular dress does have a corset back, but is available in a zipper back. Now all of our gowns are fully lined, fully boned, interfaced with bust cuff support, and they're available in over 50 colors in sizes 0 through 40. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you join us next time for another one of our dress episodes.